Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation and properties of ethers. Okay. Earlier students we have seen about the preparation and properties of alcohols, phenols. Now we are going to discuss about the ethers. So students, coming to the topic, that is preparation of ethers. Here ether can be formed by following method. Ether can be formed. There are many methods. We are taking the two. The first one is by dehydration of alcohol and the second one is by Williamson synthesis. जो पहला हम ले रहे हैं वो है डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स और दूसरा है बाय विलियमसन सिंथेसिस. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेरी फर्स्ट, दैट इज़ बाय डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. सबसे पहले की बात करते हुए जो कि है डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. स्टूडेंट, बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल टेक्स प्लेस, जब अल्कोहल का डिहाइड्रेशन होता है बेसिकली, सो डिफरेंट रिएक्शन कंडीशन पे डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. ओके, बेसिकली एट डिफरेंट रिएक्शन कंडीशंस डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट आर फेवर्ड. सो बेसिकली when we react alcohol with H2SO4, that is acid, which is basically a protic acid. Why we are considering is a protic? Because there is presence of proton. Okay, now students, this protic acid when reacted at temperature that is 443 Kelvin, ethene is formed as a product. Okay, then ethene is formed. But when it is desired to get ether, so for this what we have to do, we have to react the alcohol in the same medium, that is having protic acid at temperature 413 Kelvin. That is we have to lower the temperature. हमें क्या करना है, हमें टेम्परेचर को लोअर करना है. ओके, देन वी विल गेट द ether. So as if we have taken ethanol, so we are getting ethoxyethane. Okay, this is a ether. Students, basically what happens, the formation of this ether is a nucleophilic biomolecular reaction. Okay, and what is nucleophilic biomolecular reaction? It is basically SN2. Okay, nucleophilic substitution, and 2 indicates it is biomolecular. Now students, if you will see its reaction or basically its mechanism, then you can see here it takes place via following mechanism. Firstly, the alcohol is get protonated. Okay, and this product is formed. After this what happens, another molecule of alcohol react with this molecule, and the lone pair of electron on oxygen attracts the electron here, okay, in CH2, and it result in the leaving of the OH2 group, that is H2O group. Okay, now students, after this step what happens, H2O is removed, and here you can see OH is present in a plus form. Now what will happen, in next step deprotonation will take place, and this H plus will give its bond pair to oxygen atom, and resulting in the formation of this ether molecule. Okay, resulting in the formation of this ether molecule, that is ethoxyethane. Now students, one more thing is here, that this process or this formation is only for the primary alcohols. In case of secondary and tertiary alcohol, it gives basically elimination competes over substitution. Okay, and because of this alkenes are easily formed, और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, alkenes का formation होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, ईथर्स का फॉर्मेशन हम इसलिए देखते हैं क्योंकि अर्लियर टाइम्स ऑल्सो दे आर यूज्ड एज ओरल एनेस्थेटिक्स. ये सब ओरल एनेस्थेटिक की तरह यूज़ किए जाते थे. नाउ डेज द बाई प्रोडक्ट्स, और यू कैन से बेसिकली जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो चेंज कर दिए हैं, जो उनके स्केलेटन है उस पर डिफरेंस आया है. ओके, बट अर्लियर दिस ईथर वॉज यूज्ड एज अ ओरल एनेस्थेटिक. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, coming to the next process preparation, that is Williamson synthesis. So students, earlier also I have told you about Williamson synthesis. Here basically what happens, an alkyl halide is react with, you can see here, the sodium alkoxide. Okay, so when it react with sodium alkoxide, what happens, ether is formed and sodium halide is also formed. So students, basically the ether containing substituted alkyl group, whether it is 2 degree or 3 degree, may also be prepared by this method. So that's why this method is essential in comparison to the previous method, that is dehydration of alcohol. And student, one more thing is here that phenols can also react with this method. Phenols, when react with the sodium hydroxide, it forms the phenoxide ion. This react with the alkyl halide and forms alkyl phenyl ether. Okay. So students, in this manner we have seen what is Williamson synthesis. Now students, coming to the properties of ether. अगर हम ether की properties की बात करें, so let us talk about the very first, that is boiling point. Okay, but before coming to this students, as you see, the skeleton of ether is ROR. Okay, so the CO bond, okay, in ether are polar. ये जो CO bonds हैं ether में वो क्या है, polar हैं. And इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि इनमें एक नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट जो है जनरेट होता है, और जो वीक पोलैरिटी है ईथर की वो इफेक्ट नहीं करती है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के ईथर को. हाउ यू कैन सी इन दिस ग्राफ, बेसिकली whenever it is asked that the boiling point of normal pentane, or you can say normal alkane and ether of comparatively molecular mass is not so much differ, why it is so? So you have to give the reason that because of the you can say the weak polarity of ethers. Okay, now students, again the question is raised that compare, if there will be asked between an ether and an alcohol, that which one have more boiling point. So alcohol will have more boiling point, and the reason is only that in case of alcohol there is formation of H bond. Okay, but in case of ether it is not happened. Okay, now students, talking about the solubility, अगर हम solubility की बात करें स्टूडेंट्स, तो solubility जो होती है ethers की वो अल्कोहल से कंपेरेबल होती है. ओके, थोड़ी सी कम होती है, बट इट इज़ कंपेरेबल टू अल्कोहल. एंड वाई इट इज़ सो, बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ ईथर ऑल्सो, ईथर क्या करते हैं, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ एच बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं. दे कैन फॉर्म एच बॉन्ड विद द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर. हाउ यू कैन सी हियर, सपोज दिस इज आवर ईथर, this is the ether, and here is the H2O molecule. So it can form the bond with ether. Okay, this is the H bond. So in this manner we can see here, if you will see that in case of ethoxyethane, the solubility is 8 gram per 100 ml of water, and in case of butane vanol it is 9 gram per 100 ml. Okay, so in this manner you have to see